Welcome back to my channel. So let's solve the question displayed on the screen. We're being asked to find the answer of 3 divided by 3 minus 3 times 3. Okay, and some of you may go ahead and solve this question and be getting minus 6. You are wrong because you did not follow a certain principle. Okay, without wasting much time, let's commence. But please don't forget to click that subscribe button, the like button, and don't also forget to comment. Okay. So the principle I'm going to be using to solve this question is BODMAS, which is BODMAX, where B stands for the bracket, O stands for exponential or half, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and X stands for subtraction. So applying this BODMAS to that question, that means the first aspect we're going to solve is that 3 divided by 3 at the beginning, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, so whenever I say 3 divided by 3 in my main question, I replace it with 1. So that give me what? 1 minus 3 times 3. Then some of you may decide like you just subtract this 3 from 1. That is 1 minus 3. You are wrong, because in the BODMAS or in the principle we are using, S is the last. So that means we're meant to first do multiplication first before subtraction. So if I want to multiply it to be what? Minus 3 times 3. Okay, and that will give me minus 9. But in this case, I did 3 times 3, that's 9. So it will now be what? 1 minus 9. So my answer is minus 8, not minus 6. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye for now.